The Sanzo murder trial in Pretoria High Court is continuing, and Judge Ratha, who is presiding over the matter, continues to misbehave in that courtroom after Advocate Ramosipele placed it on record that there's someone who called accused number 5 Fisokuhlentuli's mother and insulted her and asked if they can be a little bit sensitive and private when they are calling names and cell phone numbers. Judge Ratha said he's not going to do that. That's not his business, or whether there are people that are calling those numbers, he won't allow that. But not so long ago, he was so angry when one of the state witnesses said that all the accused, Musika Ukalelwa, Sibiya, Bongani Ntanzi, Prince Mncube, Mthokoziseni Mapisa, and Fisokuhlentuli saw that document, and that document had the state witnesses, so their lives are now in danger. Judge Ratha reprimanded the defense team only to find out that lawyers didn't give the suspects those documents. What if an angry person locate those people via their numbers and addresses and kill them? Still, Judge Ratha won't take accountability because it's none of his business, and he's very condescending at the same time. He's always disrespecting those lawyers, and he's very lenient when it comes to the state. At the same time, you will hear him saying he's representing the public. But the public is no longer happy with you, Ratha. Even lawyers at one time said you are a biased judge. There was even a petition signed so that you can be kicked out in that position. Clearly, government is not really interested in solving this case of Sanzo Meyiwa. I really wish that Ratha can be professional as that magistrate Judge Tlhatjwayo, the one who was presiding over the case of AKA and Chips. The magistrate court is now done. Those suspects didn't get a bail application. Judge Tlhatjwayo was so professional in that courtroom. He wasn't condescending towards the lawyers or anyone. He listened to both sides and made a judgment. But Judge Ratha said, no, we can't listen to the accused. It's business as usual, and Pinky from Vodacom continued with her testimony and said that on 11 November 2014 at about 21:57, the number ending 8169 received a call from number ending 7007, which lasted 17 seconds, and which means that the RICA information was kept from 2009 and on the system, depending when they asked this RICA information. That period would have fallen off. That would have been a 5-year period of time, and from 2014 to 2019, the time has elapsed. And on the same number ending 7007, the following person is Steve, that was captured on 29 September 2019, and the time was 14:12, and the start date and the end date is 01/01/2050. She explained how the numbers are cycled by Vodacom. She said if a SIM card or prepaid SIM card is not used for the period of 3 months, it gets deleted from the network and recycled again, and stated that the number ending 5787, the start date of RICA was 7 March 2010 at 14:12, and it belongs to Muzi Kumalo, and their ID number is 9080, and mentioned the address, and the number was used from 7 March 2010 till 2021. That's a take on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.